This is Skywatch Media News for the final week of June 2019. Here's what's happening. On Sunday, June 22nd, space telescopes located atop Hawaii's tallest peaks spotted an asteroid 13 feet wide out beyond the orbit of the moon. The preliminary trajectory plotted by astronomers showed the space rock named 2019 MO to be on a direct collision with Earth. Just 12 hours after spotting the incoming asteroid, infrasound detectors picked up the explosion of the asteroid in the atmosphere above the Caribbean Sea, about 236 miles south of San Juan, Puerto Rico. The energy equivalent of the explosion was estimated to be in the range of 5 kilotons of TNT. The flash from the atmospheric explosion was also picked up in space by the GOES-16 geosynchronous weather satellite. If you look closely at the satellite animation, you can spot the explosion and the condensation trail that is left behind by the fragments of the asteroid as it plunged towards the surface of the Earth. The latest event marks the fourth time that an asteroid has been detected just prior to its impact. The previous encounters were over northern Sudan in the year 2008, over the Atlantic in 2014, and over South Africa in 2018. This is also the third time that an asteroid impact has been spotted by satellites, the previous two occurring over the Bering Sea in December of 2018 and over western Cuba in February of this year. Modern civilization has been extremely fortunate with asteroid encounters. The immense atmospheric explosion of Tunguska in the year 1908 occurred over a remote region, far from any populated regions. And the Chelyabinsk explosion in 2013 that occurred over a city was high enough to avoid any catastrophic destruction or loss of life. Even so, the danger exists, which is why the Atlas and the Pan-STARRS survey telescopes are consistently monitoring the night sky for incoming objects. Astronomers are concerned that a swarm of large asteroids thought to orbit the Sun as remnants of a rare meteor storm known as the Beta Taurids may actually pose a threat to our planet in the coming years. The Taurids were thought to have contained the large rock that caused the Tunguska impact in Russia in June of 1908, which is 111 years ago this month. Earth is in the process of making its closest approach to the Beta Taurids since the year 1975, with the prediction that daylight fireballs and significant air bursts will occur more frequently. However, the Taurids, with its asteroid remnants, will pass Earth at a much closer distance beginning in the year 2030. So scientists want to use the close opportunity that exists now to observe inside the swarm and spot any potentially dangerous large meteoroids while there is still time to prepare. An asteroid called 2006 QV89 could actually crash into Earth in September of this year, and it could flatten an area bigger than the Tunguska impact zone. The asteroid is currently traveling at 27,400 miles per hour. Scientists think it has a 1 in 7,000 chance of hitting Earth. But as the fourth most concerning object according to the European Space Agency, the odds are too close for comfort, and precautions are absolutely necessary. As of now, the latest encounter in the Caribbean is considered to be a near-Earth asteroid that has escaped from the asteroid belt. But it's certainly looking like time is running out before the next big one arrives in the neighborhood, with a much greater potential of hitting the Earth.